Hey guys, Claire here, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my most liked Instagram photos, funny enough. I love this place in Toronto called Sweet Jesus. One of my favorite drinks they have is a s'mores latte. It's coffee with a little bit of chocolate in it, and then it has a ring of melted chocolate with graham crackers, torched marshmallows on top. It's really delicious. So that's basically what we're doing today, is one of my favorite drinks I've ever had. So this is my very basic hot cocoa recipe. 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, a little bit of vanilla, 3 ounces or so of chopped up dark chocolate. If you want it to be sweeter, you could do milk chocolate. I have about 2 cups of whole milk. To put everything together, I have my melted chocolate, graham crackers, and homemade marshmallows. I have shown you guys how to make homemade marshmallows before, so you can definitely check that out on my YouTube channel. All right, well, let's get started. Because I don't want this chocolate to harden, I'm going to actually do this first. So I have my hot cocoa cup. I'm just gonna dip it in. So while that hardens, I'm gonna get going on the hot chocolate. What I'm going to do first is put my cocoa powder into a small pot. Then I'm gonna add my sugars and just a pinch of salt, and I'm gonna stir it all together. I'm actually gonna add just a little bit of milk. So I add a little bit and kind of form a paste, and it just makes it a lot easier to keep adding milk to it. I'm gonna turn up my heat to medium-low because I really don't wanna burn it. And I'm going to add my chocolate chunks. And so once all of that melts together, that's when I'm gonna have my hot chocolate. The hot cocoa looks delicious. You can tell it's basically done when it gets really foamy on top. That means that all the oils have started like emulsifying with the milk, and anyway, it's gonna be really good. I like a very intense, decadent hot chocolate. For me, I would rather have 1 cup of really thick, beautiful hot cocoa than like 3 cups of sort of watered down stuff. So I like mine really thick. The great thing is that if you don't, add more milk. That's literally it. So you can definitely make this more to your taste. Also, give it a taste. If you want it a little bit sweeter, add more sugar. It really is very flexible that way. All right, so I have my cup with my little graham cracker rim. So I'm just gonna use my ladle to kind of try to keep it nice and tidy. So now I'm gonna add a marshmallow on top. You could also throw this into the broiler for like 30 seconds if you really want it to get toasty on top. Personally though, I like using a butane torch. So it's just a little low-key cup of cocoa. But I love this. It's so decadent and over the top and really rich. Well, that is delicious. It's decadent, it's perfect. It's got a toasted marshmallow on top. What's not to love about it? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to make my favorite cup of hot cocoa. It's so good. And honestly, it's pretty simple. It's basically just like cocoa with like a few s'moresy finishes on top. Anyway, so delicious. Please comment below. Let me know if you make it. I hope you guys like it. And like the video if you like it. And I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.